Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to create a new repository and a new branch. This is part of the GitHub series that I'm working on, and also you can watch the rest of the videos in the channel's playlist. Okay, first here I'm on the overview page, which is the landing page of my account, and I found it different from another platforms that I worked on before. So that's why I wanted to create this video. It will be a quick one. You can go from the overview page to the repositories tab, and here you will see the new green button. You can click on it. Here you can specify the repository name and also other options, like if this repository will be public, if will be private. You can add a readme right away, add a gitignore file, etc. So I'm going to create my repository. It will be empty. Here you will see a lot of instructions to add new code in it. And then how can you create a new branch? For that, you need to have a code in your repository or something. So it will appear here the main or master branch, depending on what you select before. Here I have a master, but by default, GitHub offers the option to create the main branch. And here to create a new one, you need to type the name. Example here, a feature branch which will be called new feature, and you need to create. Well, you need to click on create branch, and it will fork it from master in this case. Okay, as you can see now, I have two branches, master and feature branch, and this is how you can create a repository and create branches in your GitHub account. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to the channel and let me know your comments. Thanks.